What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be discussing NFP. At the end of this video, you would understand the meaning of NFP, which is also known as non-farm payroll, and how to break down NFP to your advantage in order for you to make a lot of money from it. Trading NFP has never been easy for anybody, but if you know how to effectively navigate NFP news, you are going to add it as a confluence to your trading decisions. All right, so let's get down to the video, and I promise this video is going to be as short as possible. Let's get down to the video and let me break it down for you real quick. Let's go. All right, welcome back properly into the video. Now let's discuss NFP. NFP is known as non-farm payroll. It simply means it gives you inform. It simply means the employment ratio in the United States is it high? Are they high employment or are they low employment? If there are high employment, what is the effect to the USD? If there are less employment rates, what is the effect to the USD? All right. So both of them is either positive or negative. All right, so basically, I will show you the data that were available for the previous day NFP, which was on a Friday, and how we're able to navigate it and what the chart looks like. All right, so let's get down to the chart right now and let me break that for you ASAP. So let's go. So welcome guys to my screen and let's discuss about this. So basically there were informations that were available before the news release. Now let me take you through the information and let me explain to you what we are expecting before what happened and how we also approach trading NFP within the week. Now, these are the informations that are available. We have the previous, we have the forecast, and also have the actual. Now, before the actual is released, we have the previous and forecast to actually work with. Now, as you can see, we have average hourly earnings per month. The previous year is 0.3 and the forecast is also 0.3. Simply means we are expecting a stable market condition. Then number two, we have non-farm employment change. Now, the previous was 79,000, which the forecast is 75,000. As you can see, it's lesser than what happened in the previous month. Now, for the fact that we are forecasting 75,000, a decrease from what the previous month was, we're expecting USD to sell. It's as easy as that. This is lesser than the previous, so we're expecting USD to sell. Then aside of that, we have the unemployment rates. Now, these are the rates that the Fed chair sets. Now, we have the 4.2, which was the previous. Then we have the 4.3, which is the forecast. Now, the forecasted is higher than the previous. That's to tell you that when this information comes out and it is higher than what is forecasted, USD is going to buy. But these two information tells us that first, this one says the market is stable. Simply means if the market is actually in a downtrend, the market is going to continue being in a downtrend. But this one says that okay, it is lesser than what is forecasted. For that reason, the market should sell if the market technically is in a bearish move or in a bullish move. But this, if it comes out higher than what it is, if the market sells, it's going to buy. Later on, you understand, if it comes out higher than this is what this information actually is saying. Now, let me take you to the chart so that you can see how we're able to use this information to make decisions. Now, I'll take you to the chart. So this is my chart and this is how I traded NFP within the week. Now, we have one information which tells us that if technically speaking the market is in a downtrend, we are going to continue selling, right? Now, as you can see, the market is actually from the daily time frame, the market is in a downtrend. What does it mean? The market is making lower lows and lower highs. Now, when I say the market is making lower lows and lower highs, simply means overall direction of the market is bearish. As you can see from the 3rd of February or January, the market is bearish. So whatever happens here, it does not really matter that much because one of the information says that if the market is bearish holistically, we are going to continue that way. Which one says that if the market conditions, if the information comes out and it's lower than what is forecasted, we are going to sell. That means we have we have two supporting this downtrend and we have one that may go against the downtrend. All right. So now let me take you to the 1 hour time frame which we executed this trade. So I actually took this trade and I was already in profit before the news release came out. So my target for this trade was 1:4. My target for this trade was 1:4. 1:4, all right? So now we have two favoring the overall direction and we have one that may likely go against. When the news eventually came out, the unemployment change was higher than what the previous was. That will tell you that, okay, we had to sell first before buying. And that's the reason why we took this loss. But did we get the direction so that
So
it will meet the
basically,
expectation of the news?
we're just
Yes.
waiting for the
Now let me
market
go
to
back
push
to
downward
Excel
in
for you to
USD
explain
CAD
this again.
and
Now,
also
this
push
says the market
upward
will distribute
in
average hourly earnings, says the
pound
market will distribute.
USD.
This
So
says that the
this is just like a
unemployment,
very
the
simple
non-farm
analysis.
employment change says that it is the
Alright.
forecast less
So in
than
the
the
next
previous. So the
1
market is
minute,
going to
the
sell.
market is
The
going to
unemployment
drop.
change came out and we
Yeah,
had
so the
two
market is
sell
going to
and one
drop in
buy.
the
That
1
means the
minute.
market will sell
Let's just
and
see
it will buy. And that was exactly
what's
what
going to
happened.
happen.
But unfortunately, I did not
If
take
we're
profit
going to
on this
cry or
trade
going to
because I
make
wanted the
money.
market to hit my stop loss target.
Alright, so I'll be
But
holding
it resulted to
this
a loss, which
in the
sucked.
next
So I
20
just hope you are able to
seconds.
understand how you
Here's
use
the time.
this unemployment change to make
Alright, in the
decisions to
next
take support of your
15,
account
14,
analysis. And it's also
13,
the same
12,
with CFD.
11,
So maybe subsequently I'm going to create a
9,
video that's going to be
8,
explain on it more. And
7,
I hope you
6,
get value from this
5,
video and you learn a
4,
lot from this. If you're
3,
done, kindly
2,
like, subscribe, and
1.
also
Give
share.
us the news
Instead of that,
release.
kindly comment on this video and tell us your own perspective
Why
on
is
how you're
nothing
going to
happening?
execute this. So see you in the next video and hope you enjoy yourself. Have a good one. Cheers.
Beautiful. Voila. Voila. Hey. Give us the news release. We are approaching take profit real fast. Like real fast, real fast, real fast. So as you can see, the market went in our direction, but it didn't hit our take profits, and the market is currently retracing back to entry. Now, if you were me or if I were you, would you have taken profit or would you hold? Because basically I'm still holding this market. Alright, but if this was GBP USD, if the GBP USD, I believe it will smash take profit immediately. Can you see? To smash take profit immediately because of the volume. But USD card is a very crazy pair. So basically, we just have to wait for it to do its crazy things and keep going to our direction. Otherwise, we'll be holding this trade the following week. Alright, see you in the next video. Enjoy.